So, guys, hi to everyone. I hope you can hear me and see me well. Yep, hi to everyone. Yeah, wait a minute, I will just do like this for a bit. I think it's gonna be fine. Oh, wait. Hi guys. Oh yeah, perfect now. Perfect. Hello, hi to everyone, guys. So today's live stream is about looking for entry points because you always ask me, like, Lisa, how do you know where to open a trade? So today I'm gonna tell you about this. Also, I will show you some strategies and indicators. So guys, hi. Text me in the comments where you're from. I always ask you about this, so I'm waiting for your comments. Hi. So yeah, today is gonna be a really interesting one because as I told you, I will show you how I'm looking for entry points, how to understand when to open a trade. If to be honest, actually it all based on the practice, because when you practiced, you already understand every little thing, so the thing is that you just need to trade every day, guys, every day, right? So because if you just practice and trade only one time in a week, it's not gonna make you the result. It's how with the gym, if you go to the gym 3 times, 4 times, 5 times in a week, you're gonna have a great result. If you go there like every day, you will have amazing results, perfect ones, and after some time you will be more experienced. So I'm from South Africa, Germany, Pakistan. Hi guys, hi. Tennessee, I hope I spelled it right. I'm Malcolm from South Africa. Hello guys. So yeah, it's all about the practice because for example, for me, I can open the chart, just look for it like for 2 seconds and understand this is not the thing. This is not actually what we need. So let's trade today with $100 per trade. So here we can see, for example, pretty good downward movement. So I will open here a trade for 5 minutes down. Why for 5 minutes? Because we can see a pretty good downward movement here, right? But still with some fluctuations. We can see it was going down there, but here we can see some fluctuations up. So it's really risky sometimes to open on this kind of the charts, short-term trades, because it could fluctuate. Okay, if it's a downward movement and you open a trade down because you see it's absolutely understandable, right? But boom, as you can see, right now it went up. So for example, if it's gonna be just the trade for 1 minute, we will see it now. It's 4 minutes 20 seconds right now. We will probably not gonna close this trade, even though like all the indicators is telling us to open a trade down. So this is the thing about the trading, that if you see the situation is fluctuating, it's better to change the chart or to open it for a longer time frame, for example 5 minutes. Azerbaijan, hello, привет. Nairobi, Kenya, Nigeria, India. Okay, guys, okay. A lot of the countries here tonight. So yeah, as I told you, there's only 2 options. It's change the chart because you see it's fluctuating, it's not a really good time, right? Or to open a trade for a longer time, for example 5 minutes at least, so it could reverse, because here you can see it's going upward, as I told you, because of the fluctuations, and we could see it here before. So I was waiting for it and it happened, but here, for example, now we can see some red candle appear, boom, it went up again. So we just wait for this chart to reverse. And yeah, also, by the way, the interesting things, double up and rollover, guys, you were asking me about this. So double up, you do it when you see that your trade is going really well and you just want to have more profit. you can open a double up. So the thing is that the double up is opening the same trade for the same amount of money for the same time as well. So for example, if I open a trade now, it's gonna open for 2 minutes and 45 seconds, not for 5 minutes as we have here. So it will open the same exact trade, but it will open not on this entry point, but on this entry point where the candle is right now. So it's kind of risky, and I don't really recommend you to do a double up, because you know, it's just better to open trade the next time, you know. But if you see that it's a really good situation, upward movement or something else, you can do it. But usually, you know, it's some kind of impulsive thought. It's like, oh, I need to be really fast. And when you see this kind of situation, it's better not to do it. And there was a rollover. As you can see, it's not available anymore. Rollover, it means like it's doubles up to your trade, so it's like a catch up. So for example, it's not going to be $100 but $200. It's going to be the same trade on the same entry point, and the time of our trade is also will extend for another 5 minutes. So it's kind of good also chance, you know, if you want to extend the time of your trade, because it could reverse back, right? So yeah, you can use it sometimes, and in some situation I use that, but not really so often, because it's just better to use a catch up. As you can see, it's going downwards right now, as I told you. 1 minute and 21 seconds. As you can see, it's perfect timing. So let's see how this trade will close. Hello dear, I'm from Bangladesh. Hi guys, hi to everyone. Yusuf from Nigeria. Okay, привет, привет. Hi. So yeah, as you can see, we're in a profit right now. I will just stay in this trade, so we will see how it will close. 1 minute till the end of our trade. We're in a plus here. So yeah, it's going really great. 50 seconds, it's fluctuating around our entry points, but still it's going pretty good. The payout here is 92%. So as I put $100 per trade, I will have the profit of $92. It's 35 seconds. It's really close. It's fluctuating always around our entry point. As you can see, it's not really easy chart that I decided to show you, but let's see how it will close. Hi Lisa, hi. But it's also why we have our catch-up system, because you cannot do all the profitable trades in a row all the time. It's just not possible, you know. Okay, it's 10 seconds. Let's see. Fluctuating. In the last seconds, it just went down. As you can see, it was really close to our entry points, but it's fine. I think it's better to change the chart, because as you can see, it started to fluctuating. 2 green candles, 1 red one, 2 green candles, red one again, and green candles again. So let's just change it. It's I text you Telegram, not reply me. Guys, text me if you don't have a reply from me. You can just text me one more time, and because maybe I just lost your messages because I have a lot, so that's why. So let's look for something else. Not so many options, because right now it's like 7 a.m. right now in the New York, so it's not the good time. Good time is like 9 a.m. in the New York to 8 a.m. in the New York. So this time we start trading in my VIP club today as well. So yep. So let's take a look for something else. Let's take a look. I usually spend a lot of time to choose the chart, because it's really important. As you can see now, it's not so many charts with a strong upward or downward movement, so that's why we're looking for that. Trying to find something really good, because it's really hard to trade on the charts when it's fluctuating or when it's flat. It doesn't really make any sense. You're just trading blind. You don't know anything. You cannot predict the future movement of the chart carefully. Okay, some pretty good upward movement. Let's see. Let's open here a trade for 2 minutes for $200. Here we can see a pretty good upward movement, right? So Yeah, on the MACD indicator, we can see that the last pin bars is above the 0 level. They are all green, so it's a pretty good sign. Also, the RSI line is moving upward, and it almost achieved the 70 level. But the 70 level, as you can see at the RSI indicator, we have a 70 level and we have level 30. So the 70 level is overbought zone, and level 30 is the oversold zone. So when our chart achieves these lines, or it's above these lines, for example, let's find some of these examples. For example, like here, right? So it achieved the 70 level. We can say that this is the overbought zone, and boom, it started a downward movement here. And it's always like this. You see here it was fluctuating, yeah, it's a pretty unusual situation, but it was still the upward movement for a long time. And then it started growing down. So here we can see some downward movement, but let's wait. Today the market is kind of tricky. Hello, you're so beautiful. Thank you so much. I text you, but you can't reply me about top-up account. Text me again, please. Text me again. Okay, here's 30 seconds. Okay, it's really close. Also, we can see that the three lines of alligator is moving upward. There is a distance between them, so it's a pretty good sign to open a trade up. Okay, 20 seconds. We will open another trade here as well. Let's see. Yeah, and we can see it started to growing. And right now, let's take a look at the other charts while we're waiting for that trade to close. For example, here, what do you think, guys? Would you trade on this chart? I don't think so, because we definitely can see a flat here. We can see it by the lines of the alligator as well. They're just going forward, just straight. There is no fluctuations, no movements. It's just going straight. This is the flat, a good example of the flat. Like, you cannot trade here because it's moving really, really slow. So, boom, low. Yes. So for example, on this chart, I don't recommend you to trade. Definitely, it's not a good idea. Okay, let's take a look at something else. Here, not a really bad situation, but it's better to trade here on the short-term trades, because here we can see a resistance level and here we can see a support level, right? So for example, till now, it will go probably down for another 2-3 minutes. Then it will achieve the support level and start growing up again. So here it's not really strong upward or downward movement, so it's not really a good idea. There's a little bit of delay, unfortunately. Of course, guys, I'm always telling you that don't need to trade with me on the live streams, because it's really hard to follow it, because it's always the delay. Here, for example, what we can see, firstly, let's find the support and resistance level, right? Here's the support level, the lowest point of the chart. Here is the resistance level. So it will grow. It's even here right now. As you can see, it was here before, but then it went down till here. So it's actually already achieved its resistance level. And as we can see, here's a red candle, so it's going downward. So it's also not really good chart to open a trade. Then here's kind of the same situation, as you can see, just going up and down, up and down, up and down. A lot of the fluctuations, not really good one. It's better to find a trade with a strong upward or downward movement. Here we can see pretty good downward movement, and you would think, oh, I'm gonna open here a trade. But we can see here is the resistance level, right? Wait a second, let me put it. Here it is. And here is the support level. And it's already achieved the support level. You can see it, it's clearly. That's why, support and resistance level is working really nice. So yeah, it's achieved its support level, but we can see it broke it. It broke it and is going lower and lower right now. So it could go even lower, but not for a longer time. Probably. At the same time, we cannot be sure for 100%, you know? So let's take a look at something else. Here's pretty good downward movement right now. Yeah, it's going pretty nice. I think we opened on this chart here when it was fluctuating. So let's open here another trade for 4 minutes as well. Let's see how it will close. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, so here we can see, I already explained to you this chart. The three lines of alligator is moving downward in the same direction. There is a distance between them. Also, all our pin bars of the MACD is below the zero level. Also, the two lines of MACD is moving. Lisa, since at 1730 RSI, it can reverse. Isn't it good to avoid trading at both overbought and oversold? Yeah. I mean, you can avoid it. Like, for example, if you see it, like, you can just change the chart. But at the same time, you can use it as the reversal. So for example, you see it achieved its overbought or oversold zone, and you just open the trade in a different direction. But at the same time, it's better to wait for 1 or 2 candles to see if it's actually a reversal. For example, it was a downward movement, really strong one. You see that the RSI line achieved the level 30, and you see, for example, right now it's already appeared 2 green candles, and that's how you can understand it's probably going to be an upward trend here. Why are you trading on fiat currency, not crypto? Why I should trade on crypto though? Why everyone thinking that crypto is best? Crypto is not the best. I mean, I don't have anything against the crypto, but it's just not my thing. I just chose to trade with the currency pairs. This is my thing. This is what I'm good at. And, you know, like, for example, I don't want to distract. Sorry. I still have a cough. As you remember, I'm sick. So I don't want to distract at a lot of things at the same time. I don't know, trading crypto, commodities, stocks, indices, you know, why? Like, why I should trade with all of this if I can just choose one thing and trade with that? So buy at RSI 30 and sell at RSI 70 plus. Yes, but you also need to look at other indicators and just at situation of the market, just, you know, in common. So you need to find the support and resistance levels and just, you know, be really cautious. So. Yep. So let's find something else. Let's take a look at the not OTS currency pairs. It's going pretty good. Let's open here 2 trades. Let's see how it will go. Why you don't reply to me? I will reply to you in Telegram. I'm right? Hi Lisa, loop you. What do you mean? Joined the stream late and wanted to know the reason. Thank you too. I mean, like, don't think I'm just like, oh, why are you asking me that or something. But it's just, you know, the crypto is not my thing, and that's it. So, yep. So we're waiting. And I also wanted to tell you today about the technical fundamental analysis as well, because we were talking about this on the previous live stream. Yeah, we closed the previous trade in a profit. That's good. Here we have, it's fluctuating 45 seconds. It's just standing on one. Oh, okay, it's a new candle up here. You can see how close it is. Oh, Hello. Yeah, this is the market. This is happens. It's not moving actually at all, almost. Okay, let's see. 15 seconds. Okay, we will open another trade here. So yeah, guys, I was telling you before on the previous live stream, I think, about the fundamental analysis. So, but I was talking about this like really shortly because we were talking more about technical analysis. So fundamental analysis is a method of analyzing and also predicting the behavior of the chart with the help of the political news, psychological, for example, rumors or expectations of something else. So it's kind of interesting one, and not so many people is using it, but actually it's really good example and really good strategy how you can predict the future movement of the chart. So there are actually 4 categories of fundamental analysis, and as I told you, the first one is political. For example, when it was the news about United States American president, right? When it was election, the market was crazy. The market was crazy. I remember that week. It was just in the start of the November. It was so hard to trade because the market was fluctuating a lot, and it doesn't mean doesn't take any how to say that, like, it doesn't mean what chart are you trading on. All the charts is, and all the market is actually depending on something that's happening in the United States always. So United States news is the most important one in trading, definitely, because what's happening there is that what's happening on the market, So as I told you, it's political news, for example, elections of the head of state, for example, as well, not only the president, of elections to the parliament as well. Also, it's change of power, form of government, or something else, state structure, for example. Also, as I told you, it's psychological, some rumors or something else. For example, I don't know, about the Bitcoin. For example, as you know, Donald Trump is really nice with the Bitcoin, right? So a lot of people knows, and we're talking a lot of the rumors that the Bitcoin will rise after the Donald Trump will become president. And yeah, this kind of the rumors is actually depending on the situation in the market, even though like it didn't make any sense or something, even though it didn't happen yet. For example, Donald Trump is still not a president, right? Like before. But people already talking about this, and it's actually happening. So yeah, guys, we had a profit of $736. So let's change our amount of money. It's pretty good upward movement here, by the way. So we will open here another trade up for $100. As we can see, it's pretty good upward movement. Of course, it can reverse at any minute, but for now, it's going pretty nice. It already achieved our resistance level, but as we can see, it's going well. So let's see how it will go. Sorry. Also, one of the categories of fundamental factors is force majeure. So it's natural disasters, man-made disasters, and military, for example, operations. Yeah, it also could affect the market. And also, of course, economic, of course, definitely. So financial indicators and events from the life of the particular company, for example, or speech of heads of central banks and so on. This guy, damn, I don't remember his name. Sorry, I don't remember his name. It was a lot of the memes and reels about this. When he's saying good morning, good morning everyone or something, boom, the market just going down or up, you know, and it depends on how he say that. And it's actually true. It's actually true. So yeah, but actually to analyze the all of these things, you need to, you know, be 24/7 in that. You need to always check it, all the news and everything, follow all the channels, all the newspapers about what's happening in the world. So it's kind of difficult though. It's kind of difficult, and you need to have this analyzing skills, you know. So fundamental analysis actually studies the underlying premises of fluctuations in the value of assets. I hope it's okay to understand. So practicing traders, they know that any strong movements in the financial market begin with the publication of news, definitely. So when you see, for example, the chart went up or down really big, for example, like this, you know, big candle, it's definitely publication of the news. It definitely something happened. For example, if it's Euro/USD OTS, it's probably something happened with the in the United States or Europe, or maybe something both between them. So that's how you can understand what kind of news you need to check. If you trade on the, I don't know, Canadian dollar, you go to Canadian news. If you trade on the USD euro dollar, you check the United States news and just Europe news in common, for example, right? So yeah guys, we close this trade. Okay, it's good. Let's open another trade here. So the news acts as a catalyst for change, you know. So this is actually one of the main thing. That's why the fundamental analysis is also important as a technical analysis as well. They're working together. So technical analysis is more based on the on how the chart look, you know. So you analyze the chart on how it's look by support, by resistance levels. You do analysis by yourself. You look at the shadows of the candles, on the candles, on the previous history of the chart, how it was moving. So you analyze it by how it's look, you know, by its appearance. But fundamental analysis, you analyze based on the things that going on after the market, not in the market, but there, you know, in the world. So it affects the market already. But the technical analysis is already the you know, it's lower than fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is on the first place. It's the thing that actually affect the market. It could be a catalyst of change. Sorry guys. And by the way, one of the most famous traders who base forecasts on fundamental analysis is, guys, text in the comments, but I will say it, of course, is Warren Buffett. So he's really good at it, as we can see, and why not? We all also should use that. So, and the main postulates of fundamental analysis, that price never change for nothing. There is always a reason for change, like in life, you know, it's always a reason for change. Also, the influence of certain factors on price movements can be predicted. That's why we can use a fundamental analysis, because we see some news and when they're said, yeah, it could affect the market, definitely. But fundamental analysis, again, is of course mostly working for longer time frames, for longer trading, definitely. Because for 1 minute, it will not change anything. It will not affect the market. It could, but not for a really long time. So I opened here another trade, guys. I will go to your comments as well. Wait a second. I go to the YouTube. Warren Buffett, yeah. Is there any explanation video of using the trading platform? How do you add money in it? Indicators you're using? Yeah, my YouTube channel is all about this. But if you want a video about how to use this trading platform, you can text me, I will send it to you, or you can find it in my video. So for example, recently I had a video of how I withdraw the money, but I also have a video definitely about how to top up your account, how to verify your account. It's here. Yeah, wait a minute, let me check. Yeah, how to trade on pocket option from the registration to first income withdraw. So you can find it in my channel. It's in the start of my channel. So guys, just please check it. You can always find everything in my channel. I cannot find this trade. What do you mean? I'm not sending us signals right now because it's live stream, and it's thank you so much guys for the likes. Somebody's sending me likes. Bitcoin will touch 100k, no doubt. Probably it could be. Yeah, very viral videos, that is. Yeah. Is it demo or in real? Are you serious? Of course it's real. You can see it here on the balance. Lisa, is there any advantage of waiting for a candle to close before entering the market? Yeah. Of course. It's better to wait. For example, if it's 10 seconds and you see that it's better to wait, I mean, like, you are not sure about the future movement of the chart, or it's changing and it's fluctuating, it's better to wait. Definitely. But it depends on the situation though. If it's really good in try points, just do it. Loop love means I love you. Okay guys, thank you so much. I love you too. Thank you. Somebody's sending me the likes. You're not isn't replying on the Telegram. It's not a bot, it's me. I'm replying you. It's not a bot. So yeah guys, we had a profit. It's not a bot, so that's why I'm replying you by myself. If it was a bot, it will reply you really fast, right? But I'm doing it by myself. So the bot is just made for that I will be able to text all of you, because the Telegram have some restrictions. So for example, it's asking me to have like the person in the contact, or this person should add me to the contacts to text me. So this is the problem, and that's why I create this bot. But I'm answering there by myself. That's why sometimes like I don't see your messages, because it's a lot, because I'm answering it all by myself. I do follow your signals daily. It's fantastic. Oh, thank you so much. Text me your feedback. How is it going? So yeah, guys, you can see it's going pretty well. By the way, about our trade, it was the upward trend before, and it achieved its resistance level, and now it's going downward. I did a trade for 3 minutes. So yeah, it's going really nice. Nice. Thank you. So it's 1 minute 50 seconds to the end of a trade. Can understand your profit. Thank you so much. Can I trade following the same trade you're taking? Right now, I don't think so, because again, it's a YouTube live stream, and on the YouTube live stream, we have a delay of around like 50 seconds, 20 seconds. So it's not really good idea, for you, because you will have a delay and you will open the trade not on the same exact entry point as me. You're so confident in your trading strategies, and that tell me your strategy is unique and perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. I would appreciate if you could trade towards evening twice. Guys, I trade every day. It's still not enough. How to use this platform. I have a video about this, guys. I have a video. I will not explain to you now all of this, how to use this platform, because it's gonna be a really long speech. But maybe I will do some kind of the live stream like this. This is my first time. I'm happy. I've learned a lot. Thank you, Akahi, right? Your trading session is absolutely amazing, no doubt in it. Thank you, guys. By the way, who's training with me on the VIP Club or in the main Telegram channel, guys, text me your feedback right now in the comments, because it's really important for me, you know. I'm a big fan. I'm new here. Hi, Nazar, right? So yeah, happy to see newbies here. So that's why I do this kind of the live streams to explain to you all of the things about the trading. So guys, it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we closed this trade. So let's open another one here. Why not? It's going really well. It was better to open a trade here, but anyway, as you can see, it just went up when we opened the trade. Yeah. Sorry, I'm still sick, guys, but even though, like, for me it's even hard to talk actually, but I'm trying my best, you know. I'm sick all the week, but anyway, I do all the trading session for you. I do the videos, I do a voice trading sessions, because I cannot just miss it. I cannot just leave you guys, right? So yeah, and if we talk more about the fundamental analysis, so it is actually based on the premise that each asset has some kind of fair price, and sooner or later it will return to this fair price, right? So what should be considered when conducting a fundamental analysis? First of all, even the most likely scenario may not work out. That's true. Second of all, economic education is not the key to the success. So do not forget about the special literature, and it's really nice to read books about trading. Actually, I will recommend you a few after in my Telegram channel. I'm always telling you guys that, you know, some people is asking me, do I need to have economic education to trade? No, it's still not the you know, guarantee that you will be successful in this industry. Definitely. I know a lot of the traders, some of them has it, some of them not, but of course it could be really useful and helpful, and maybe for the people who has the economic education, it will be much more easier for them to understand it, to also analyze market by fundamental analysis. But at the same time, it's not, you know, giving you a lot of the advantage of the other people. So also it is important to follow the rules of capital management and money management, and also cash-up system, of course. So I was telling you a lot about the actually capital management, sorry, and money management is the same, but capital is just sounding more cool. So the thing is that I recommend you to use only 1% of your deposit. I'm always telling you about this, guys, and still not everyone is following these rules, because some of the people is thinking this is just a joke or something, or they are smarter than everyone and all the rules is not for them. It's okay, but these people then, after they use, for example, I don't know, 50% of their deposit per trade, they lost all of the money, and they're like, oh, this was your fault, your signals was really bad and everything. I opened a new trade, guys, by the way. Again, down for $200 for 30 minutes. So, and these people who's not following the rules about money management, for example, and putting all the money on, for example, like, I don't know, they have $100 on their account and they put $50 per one trade because they're like, oh, I have another $50, right? So it's gonna be fine. And then they lost the first trade for $50, the second one for $50, and they're like, oh, it was your fault. Your signals is bad. But the thing is that we have a catch-up system. And in the catch-up system, we need to split our deposit into 5 or even 6 steps. It's better to split it into the 6 steps. So you will have the balance for opening other trades to cover your losses and still have a profit. There's nothing wrong with the losses. It's absolutely normal, and it's the one of the thing of the trading in the market just in general. And if you're not ready for that, it's not your thing. But I'm always telling you guys about this, that you need to save your money and you don't need to be that risky. Yeah, you will do a trade for $1. Yeah, you will grow your deposit really slow, but anyway, you will grow it. You will grow it. For example, yesterday you didn't make plus $20 from trading. Today you were doing that, and it's really nice. Why not? After some day, for example, you had $100 in your account. For the first day, you made $20. Yeah, that's okay. For another day, you made $30. Now you have $150. Then you made another $50 for the next day because you have more deposit, right? You have $200. You can put already $2 per trade. And that's how you just growing your balance. That's how you will achieve $500, for example. You will put $5 per trade, then $1,000. That's how it's working. And you will move maybe slow, but at the same time you will move and you will achieve your results. And that's much more better than just, lose all of the money in the first day. And I'm really still amazed by the people who's not following the rules and then complaining. But it's okay. I understand that. There's still, these people will exist. But guys, you're smart people. I know it. I have really smart subscribers. Please follow the rules and you will not have any problems. You will not have any problems. I have my trading community for 2 years already. And I met a lot of the people who was not following the rules and following the rules, and some of the people still for 2 years is trading with me, having a really great result. Some of my subscribers already solid traders. They don't need my signals because they're really professionals, because they know how to trade right now. So it's only your choice how you will do it, So it's 1 second, and yeah, we close this trade. Let's open another trade here. Again, down. As we can see on the MACD indicator, all the pin bars is red. The 4 last pin bars is below the 0 level. Also, the red line of MACD is intersecting the green line from top to bottom. It's going lower. So this is another signal to open a trade down. Oh, as you can see, it's going really well. On the RSI indicator, we can see that the line, we can just put it like this, and to see 41%. So it's going lower. It's not on the level 30 yet, so it's pretty nice. And we can see the support level is here, so it will probably go lower and lower more and more. So it's really nice for us. Why is the candle different in pocket option? First of all, maybe you don't have the same currency pair as me. I have GBP/CAD, first of all. Second of all, I have a time frame of AIM2. Maybe you have the time frame of AIM1, and that's why it's looking different. For example, I will show you. If I change it to AIM1, it looks different. It's more candles. For example, if I do S15, you can see it looks absolutely different, even though it's the same chart. Oh, sorry. Even though it's the same chart, it looks different. If I come back to AIM2, as I had, it will look like this. So I'm always telling you guys that if you see that your chart is looking different from my chart, even though we have the same currency pair, probably you have the different time frame. That's it. But we're still on the same chart. Even if you have the different time frame from me, and you open the trade with me at the same moment, but for example, you have the time frame of M1, it means like each candle lasts 1 minute. If you have M2, each candle lasts 2 minutes. So even if you open the trade on the same asset with a different time frame here of the candle, it doesn't change anything. You will still open the trade at the same exact entry point as me. And then you can just open the AIM2 and you will see that you open it on the same exact moment. But right now, guys, don't need to follow my signals. I told you, because it's a big delay on the YouTube. Lizzie, you always use the same indicators? No. But I just like in the last time I just really like alligator MACD and RSI, so I'm using it. Why not? I mean, like a lot of the traders is just using one strategy that they really like, and after some time they're changing it. So I'm doing the same thing. If it's something working good for me, why I need to change it every time? Give us some easily trade time. What do you mean? 3 minutes is not easily trade time? Okay, thank you. I'm a beginner, so that I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. You're welcome to asking questions. I like your content. It's really helpful. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. You're really earning good. Hope this money keeps increasing. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Yeah, earn pretty good today. whatever happens, the support for you will be there all the time. Hope you get well soon. Thank you guys so much. Yeah, we closed this trade, guys. As you can see, yeah, it's we opened today a lot of the trades. I hope you like it, guys. So yeah, you still can ask me some questions, and we will unfortunately end our live stream because I also need to get ready for the trading session. So yeah, I hope you know a lot of the useful things today for yourself. I hope so. So yeah, guys. Yeah, I like your trades. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you for joining my live stream today. I hope you like it. Don't forget that really soon we will have a trading session in my VIP club. So I'm waiting for all of you there. It's the 4th day of the marathon right now. And yeah, also by the way, I will have a really nice news on this week for you, but I will not tell you now. So just be ready for that. Just be ready, guys. Just just follow my Telegram. Keep updated because it's gonna be really interesting news. You will be amazed. So yeah, I will not say to you anything right now, but you will see. Yeah, guys. Thank you so much and love you.